QlikView Online Training. Learn and improve your skill by professional trainer with Proexcellency. Introduction. QlikView is a powerful business intelligence and data visualization software developed by Qlik, a company known for its innovative approach to data analytics. The software allows users to connect to various data sources, transform and model data, and create interactive visualizations and dashboards for better data insights and decision-making. What is QlikView? QlikView is a business intelligence tool that enables users to extract, transform, and visualize data from multiple sources in real time. It provides an associative data model that allows users to explore data dynamically, making it easy to uncover relationships and insights that might not be apparent in traditional tabular reports. The power of data visualization. Data visualization is a crucial aspect of QlikView. It helps users understand data better by presenting it in graphical form, making complex information more accessible, and enabling faster and more informed decision-making. Understanding QlikView's architecture. QlikView's architecture consists of various components, including the QlikView desktop for development, QlikView server for sharing and distribution, and QlikView publisher for automated data reloads and report distribution. Understanding this architecture is essential for effectively deploying QlikView in an organization. Installing and configuring QlikView. This section covers the process of installing and configuring QlikView on various platforms, ensuring that it is set up correctly and ready for use. QlikView data loading and modeling. Connecting to data sources. QlikView can connect to a wide range of data sources, such as databases, spreadsheets, web services, and more. This section explains how to establish connections and import data into QlikView. Data transformation and cleansing. Often, data from different sources may have inconsistencies or require some pre-processing. This section guides users on transforming and cleaning data to ensure accuracy and reliability in the QlikView app. Building the data model. The heart of QlikView lies in its associative data model. Users will learn how to build a logical data model that facilitates data associations and allows for seamless data exploration. Managing data associations. In QlikView, data associations are automatically created based on common fields. Understanding how to manage and optimize data associations is crucial for data analysis efficiency. QlikView data visualization. Exploring the QlikView interface. This section introduces users to the QlikView user interface, including various components like sheets, charts, and list boxes. Creating basic visualizations. Users will learn how to create simple visualizations like bar charts, line charts, and pie charts to represent data effectively. Advanced charting and expression techniques. Building upon the basics, this section delves into more advanced charting techniques and using expressions to create customized visualizations. Implementing interactive dashboards. QlikView allows users to create interactive dashboards that enable users to explore data actively. This section teaches how to design engaging dashboards for better user experiences. Mastering QlikView scripting. Introduction to QlikView scripting. QlikView scripting is a powerful feature that allows users to load, transform, and manipulate data from various sources before creating visualizations. This section provides an overview of the QlikView script editor, its role in data processing, and the syntax used for scripting. Loading data with script editor. In this section, users will learn how to load data into QlikView using the script editor. The script editor supports loading data from databases, files, web services, and other sources. Various data loading techniques, such as inline data and resident load, are covered. Transforming and manipulating data. Data transformation and manipulation are essential steps in the data preparation process. This section explores various transformation functions and techniques, including data cleaning, aggregations, and data reshaping, to ensure the data is in the right format for analysis. Using variables and loops. Variables and loops add an extra layer of flexibility to QlikView scripting. Users will learn how to define and use variables to store values and make dynamic selections. Additionally, this section covers loop structures that allow for iterative processes in script execution. Advanced QlikView techniques. Set analysis and advanced expressions. Set analysis is a powerful feature in QlikView that enables users to perform selective aggregation based on specific data selections. This section delves into the syntax and usage of set analysis, allowing users to create complex expressions and visualizations that respond dynamically to user selections. Advanced data modeling and optimization. Advanced data modeling techniques are explored to optimize data models for improved performance and efficiency. Topics include synthetic keys, circular references, and other data modeling challenges and how to resolve them. Working with extensions and widgets. QlikView supports extensions and widgets that provide additional visualization options and functionalities beyond the built-in chart types. Users will learn how to incorporate extensions to create more compelling and customized visualizations tailored to specific needs. Implementing security and data governance. Data security and governance are crucial aspects of any BI implementation. This section covers best practices for implementing data security, managing user access, and ensuring compliance with data governance policies within QlikView applications. QlikView deployment and performance. Best practices for QlikView deployment. Proper deployment is critical for successful utilization of QlikView applications. This section covers best practices for deploying QlikView apps to QlikView server, ensuring apps are accessible and perform optimally. Performance optimization tips. App performance plays a vital role in user satisfaction. This section provides tips and techniques for optimizing QlikView app performance, including data model optimization, chart optimization, and load balancing. Monitoring and troubleshooting. Monitoring app usage and performance is essential for identifying potential issues and maintaining system health. This section explains how to monitor app usage, performance, and system resource consumption. Additionally, users will learn how to troubleshoot common issues that may arise during app deployment and usage. QlikView collaboration and sharing. Collaborating with QlikView server. QlikView server is a central component for collaboration and sharing within the QlikView ecosystem. It enables users to publish QlikView apps to a server repository, where authorized users can access and interact with the apps via web browsers or the QlikView desktop client. Collaboration features, such as document collaboration, allow multiple users to work on the same app simultaneously, promoting teamwork and collective data analysis. Creating and distributing reports. QlikView enables users to create interactive and insightful reports that can be shared with stakeholders across the organization. Reports can be tailored to meet the specific needs of different user groups, providing customized views of data. QlikView's reporting capabilities extend beyond static reports, as users can explore data interactively, drill down into details, and dynamically adjust visualizations. Publishing to QlikView Access Point. QlikView Access Point is a web portal where published QlikView apps are made available to users. Publishing to Access Point allows authorized users to access and explore the QlikView apps securely from any device with an internet connection. Through Access Point, users can access the most up-to-date versions of apps, ensuring that they are always working with the latest data. QlikView integration and connectivity. Integrating QlikView with other systems. QlikView's flexibility allows integration with various external systems to exchange data seamlessly. Integration scenarios can include connecting to enterprise databases, data warehouse, cloud-based services, or other business applications. Integrating QlikView with other systems enhances data consolidation and ensures that QlikView apps have access to the most relevant and up-to-date data. Using QlikView APIs and web connectors. QlikView provides APIs, application programming interfaces, that allow developers to extend QlikView's capabilities and integrate QlikView into custom applications. Additionally, web connectors enable QlikView to connect to various web-based data sources, making it easier to pull in data from online services, social media platforms, or web-based APIs. Embedding QlikView visualizations in web applications. Embedding QlikView visualizations in web applications brings the power of QlikView's data insights directly to end users through other web applications. This integration allows users to interact with QlikView visualizations without leaving the context of their primary application, enabling a seamless and immersive user experience. QlikView governance and best practices. Data governance and security. Data governance ensures that data is managed, protected, and used appropriately across the organization. In the context of QlikView, it involves defining roles and permissions, establishing data access policies, and securing sensitive information. Implementing proper data governance and security measures ensures data integrity and compliance with regulatory requirements. QlikView development best practices. Following best practices in QlikView development helps maintain consistency, efficiency, and scalability in application design. Best practices cover aspects such as data modeling, scripting techniques, user interface design, and data visualization principles. Change management and version control. Managing changes to QlikView apps is crucial in a collaborative environment. Version control helps track and manage app revisions, enabling users to revert to previous versions if needed and promoting better collaboration among developers. Real-world QlikView use cases. QlikView in sales and marketing. In sales and marketing, QlikView empowers teams to analyze sales data, customer behavior, and marketing campaign performance. By visualizing key metrics, sales reps can identify opportunities, track progress against targets, and optimize marketing strategies. QlikView for finance and business intelligence. Finance departments benefit from QlikView's ability to consolidate financial data, perform budget analysis, and monitor key financial indicators. QlikView serves as a powerful tool for generating financial reports and forecasting future trends. QlikView in supply chain management. Supply chain management involves complex data from various sources. QlikView aids in visualizing supply chain processes, inventory levels, production data, and supplier performance, helping organizations make data-driven decisions to optimize the supply chain. Case studies and success stories. Real-world case studies and success stories showcase how organizations have successfully implemented QlikView to solve specific business challenges and achieve tangible results. These examples demonstrate the versatility and value of QlikView in different industries and use cases. QlikView tips and tricks. Time-saving shortcuts. This section provides users with various time-saving shortcuts and tips to navigate QlikView more efficiently, improving productivity. Advanced techniques for QlikView masters. Advanced users can discover powerful techniques to leverage QlikView's capabilities to their fullest potential. This section offers insights into complex data modeling, advanced expressions, and customizations. Troubleshooting common issues. Common issues and their resolutions are addressed here to help users troubleshoot and overcome challenges they may encounter during app development and usage. Conclusion and next steps. Recap of key concepts. This section summarizes the key concepts covered in the QlikView learning journey, reinforcing the main takeaways. Continuing your QlikView journey. Learners are encouraged to continue expanding their QlikView skills and explore more advanced topics to become proficient users. Additional resources and learning opportunities. This section provides pointers to additional resources, including documentation, online communities, and training courses, where learners can continue their QlikView learning and development journey. Why choose Proexcellency for QlikView online training? There are many reasons why you might choose Proexcellency QlikView online training. Here are a few of the most important. Expert instructors. Proexcellency's instructors are all experienced QlikView professionals with a deep understanding of the software. They are passionate about teaching and committed to helping their students succeed. Flexible learning options. Proexcellency offers a variety of learning options, including live online classes, self-paced courses, and on-demand video tutorials. This allows you to choose the format that best suits your needs and schedule. Accredited training. Proexcellency's QlikView training is accredited by Qlik, the leading provider of business intelligence by software. This means that you can be confident that you are learning from the best and that your training will be relevant to the latest industry standards. Real-world projects. Proexcellency's training includes a number of real-world projects that give you the opportunity to apply your skills and knowledge. This helps you to develop the skills you need to be successful in the workplace. Support. Proexcellency offers a variety of support options, including online forums, email support, and live chat. This means that you can always get help when you need it. Overall, Proexcellency QlikView online training is a great option if you are looking for high-quality, accredited training from experienced instructors. The flexible learning options and real-world projects make it a great choice for busy professionals who want to learn QlikView on their own time. Let's connect with us. +9 +18722079509 vertical bar +9 190089068809 www.proexcellency.com. Thank you for watching.